OCLRE, to me, exposed my talents in a way that I didn't know was possible while I was in high school. Law is so wide, and OCLRE really shows how it has a place for everyone.
OCLRE is a phenomenal system that provides students, I think as young as 4th grade, all the way through high school, the opportunity to not only learn democratic legal concepts, but to practice them through the mock trial program for the older kids, through the We the People competition, even the Moot Court, especially if they want to do law later, definitely develops critical thinking skills. And I wish all states had it, but I'm so lucky that we have it here in Ohio.
These programs really solidified my decision to go into law, so I really can't thank OCLRE enough.
If you dream about being an attorney or not, this is a great club, an extracurricular to join. If you like to act, if you like to do impromptu questions,
public speaking, improv, working with other people, collaboration.
Whether you do law or not, you learn critical thinking, you have to be able to analyze facts, you have to be able to communicate them well. There's a lot of things that are transferable to all sorts of different career paths. It's the most rewarding thing you can be a part of, whether you go through it as a student, a volunteer, an advisor.
We've come to Columbus to do professional development as part of the Government in Action program and taking pictures all over the place, and they're going to pop up in class, makes it more real.
OCLRE fills a niche that allows these students to see firsthand and experience firsthand and become a part of civics in action.
There's always a place for everyone. No matter what your strengths are, there is always something that you can grow upon, and coming into the courtroom and being able to showcase that is the best feeling.
The biggest takeaway for me is being able to stand up for myself. I've always been an outgoing person, but standing up for myself has been really hard for me. But mock trial really helped me improve that.
And I just heard the comment today from a student who said, I feel powerful. I feel powerful. And I think there's power in understanding concepts of our foundation, whether it be Declaration or Constitution, and they learn to speak for themselves.
We all get along, everyone fits in, and I could definitely see law school in my future.
Arguing doesn't have to be aggressive, but in fact, it can be calm and peaceful throughout the whole matter.
The OCLRE impacted me a great deal in my youth when I did Ohio high school mock trial. Any chance I can to get back to the OCLRE itself and all the good it does for the high school students, I'm all for it.
The connections with the kids is one of the most things I look forward to. And quite honestly, so it's just really, really neat to get to see them kind of flourish in this situation.
We've been doing this 20 years or so, and we found such value in it and a real application to our students that we continue to come back each year.
I decided to come back and volunteer because of all of the value I got out of the program as a teenager. When I was growing up, I didn't have lawyers that I knew, and I didn't have anyone that I could turn to ask the questions. The ability to have a hands-on experience, I think, is so unique and so beautiful.
The OCLRE is really about encouraging students and exploring law. I think I've really grown a lot, and I think it's shaped who I am now today.